Miracle Grow, a larger pot. Simply just grab your soil, fill it up. I got some water. I got a stake. I'm just gonna go around, see if I can loosen it up, get it out of the pot in one nice smooth motion. Some rainwater. Hands over. See if I can push it out through the bottom. Look at all those roots. Pretty awesome. Well, I am going to water down the soil some. Be a little easier to get this in there. That's all I did. Place this in. Nice watering. Some regular soil. All around. I'm going to need a new stake to come in here. It'll stand on its own. Get nice and close. Loosely wrapped. And again, give it some more water. This is the only saucer I have. That'll do for now. I hope this is going to be an interesting grow in the future. This is the growth this has done. And we'll check on this at a later time.